Good morning to everyone. Now we are going to learn about the enterprise analytics and the search. So first, if we have done the searching operation, you will get the analytics. Okay. So searching is for the information of the company. Okay. So regarding the internal documents or the database fields or employee information, etc. Okay. From the repositories means if you want to search something which has been done on repositories. Okay, so for example, if you see the Google cloud search implementation, so this is the user interface. When you think that this interface is like an browser search engine, so when you type some keyword and press enter, it will be going to the data source. So the data source will be getting the content from the content connector, and the from content connector will be getting the content from the repository. Repository is a place where the actual data is stored, and this data sources consists of the indexing information, means how many files were there, what is the file name, what is the content of the file, everything will be there in the data sources. Okay, so this is about the search, means the searching will be done on the repository. So the data sources consist of the indexes. Okay, coming to this, these are the terms. Okay, application search, schema means the definition of the data structure. Okay, user interface we have seen, data source we have seen, and content connector we have seen. Identity connector, which is used to synchronize the enterprise identities. Okay friends, okay, this is about the search. Means searching means user interface, the data, actual data will be stored in the repositories. Data sources consist of indexing, means page numbers, like something like that. If you tell the page number, it will give the topic name, like that. It consists of indexing, and the content connector will pull the content from the repository. Okay, next one is this. It consists of this analytics consists of 6 elements. One is data sources, you know it. Okay, that is nothing but the repositories, ERP, CRMs, enterprise resource planning, or customer relationship models, and social media, website, etc. And data model is nothing but the simplification of reality. And processing applications. So Hadoop is used for processing of the data, means to get some information to be retrieved from the database, we go for the repositories. Okay, and we use the technology as Hadoop. Okay, the next one is analytical models used to predict the outcomes. Okay, storage is nothing but the warehouses. Okay, next types of cloud analytics. Public cloud analytics will be there, private will be there, hybrid will. Public means general people will be using, private means individual organization members will be using, hybrid means a combination of both the persons will be using the hybrid cloud. And benefits of the cloud analytics. So enterprise data consolidation, this is the first benefit, means mining will be performed. Mining means extraction of the data from the data sources will be done. Ease of access means it is very easier to access from the analytics. Okay, so here we are going to learn about the people access controls. Okay, so ease means we can control the access to limited extent. For example, if you want to know the bank balance of yours, it is possible. If you want to know the bank balance of other person, it is not possible. And sharing and collaboration, file transfer is possible. And reducing the cost, so initial setuping cost will be extremely more. Okay, and scalability is grow, if the business grows, it is easy to scale up. Okay, and next point will be the challenges of the cloud analytics. Okay, one is the performance. Okay, so uptime is 100% required, and downtime should be less. Okay, and coming to the data security, and you can manage the risk. Okay, in the risk is based on the organization. Okay, migration means moving from one data warehouse to other data warehouse. Okay, it is a time consuming process. Okay, migration means moving of data from one data source to other data source. Okay, it is time consuming and then very expensive. Okay, and skill sets for knowing the analytics of the such data, the person should be efficient. So the organization has to train the persons, hire and train the persons. Okay, next one is managing the cost. So on demand, this cloud services working, how much you use, that much only you can pay. Okay, so this is about the topic, that is the search, enterprise search and analytics. So enterprise search, we are going to search for some information in the repository, and for that we first the search interface. The interface will be there in the search application. Search application consists of search interface. This search interface will be interacting with the data sources. The data sources will be containing of indexing that will be connected with the content connector, and the content connector will be interacting with the repository. This is the flow in enterprise search. After searching, you will be getting the analytics. Analytics means whether you got the data or not, how many search results you got, that is about the analytics. Thanks for listening, friends.